Hey, welcome to my channel. This is Modest Sisters. I'm bringing you something different. This is a get ready with me video. We're in quarantine, we've got time, and here I am for you guys. I'm showing you what I use. This is products for my face that go on before any makeup, and this is the tools and kits that I use and products for my face when I care to put makeup. I don't put makeup on all the time, but when I do, this is what I'm going to be using, and this is what you're going to see in this video. Of course, they're going to be listed below. So yeah, I hope you enjoy, hope you take something away, and if you have any tips and tricks, comment below. But yeah, let's get straight into it. So I like to start off my makeup by spraying my face with water, and this is filtered water or purified water from a filter jar. This just helps my skin to take well to the process of makeup and also for it to just be ready to get these kind of products, which is a toning solution by The Ordinary, and I put that also on my neck. And then I go in with the Revolution Hydrating Essence Spray. And that's just supposed to be the beginning of the 3 products I'm going to use from this range. Whilst that's drying, I'll also spray my sponge, which I'll be using later on, with the same water so that that is also soft by the time I want to use it. Next, I am going to use, again from Revolution, the fruit extract serum and primer. Rub that in, also put that on my neck and collarbones. It's just preparing my skin to be able to have the makeup sit well and to sit for longer as well. It creates this sticky effect, and I find that works well to make products stay and last longer, and also prevent oil, because I really don't like that dewy look. I don't like oil, and I tend to get oil buildup like most people on the T-zone quite quickly. So I also use from Revolution the lightweight hydrating gel cream. This is again hydration boost. I have dry skin, or I have dehydrated skin. I try to combat that as well. That's why you see me spray water right at the beginning. So these are the products I use from Revolution. Next in, I go in with my SPF 50 plus, and that is from Bondi Sands, which I got from ASOS. I love the fact that it's 50 plus. That's very important. It smells amazing. It does the job. It's got UVA and UVB as well. So this is great. It also serves as quite a great moisturizer on top of everything that I use. So yeah, it gets a bit dewy. I don't like that. So you're going to see me go in with my translucent powder to control that oil. I do want this makeup to last. This makeup is for 4 videos. I was filming 4 videos this day, so I want this makeup to last. Anyway, here we go with foundation. And for my foundation, I use Estee Lauder. Amazing. They've never failed me. And my color is Deep Spice. I use the Double Wear foundation. I build with this. I do build on it because it is quite light, but I do like that because I like light makeup and I want to be in control of how much makeup is on my face. Next up, I deal with my eyebrows. So I'm just using a brush to shape how I would like my eyebrows to look. So I just use that to put the eyebrows up, and then you're going to see me use this coloring eyebrow coloring ink from it's in dark brown, number 710. This is new. I found it and I thought, let me try it. I'm really inconsistent in terms of brow pencils, but this I think I like, and again it gives a very natural look. Because it's a felt tip, you're in control of how harsh or how strong the strokes are. And yeah, and you go in later to rub it in so that it spreads evenly. So now I'm using my Fenty Beauty matchstick, and that is in suede. So I use this under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, on my chin, and my forehead. So I'm going to be blending that in with the sponge, which has been marinating in the water I sprayed it with. I will also use this for my eyebrows to shape them, but of course I will use a brush that's a little bit thinner and smaller to get the shape that I am going for. But right now I'm taking a little time to blend, and here we go, doing my eyebrows. So I take again a lot of time on my eyebrows because I think eyebrows are like the game when it comes to makeup on your face. So take your time here. If you're doing this for the first time, you will not get it perfect the first time, but practice makes perfect. And even my eyebrows are not perfect, but I think I like how they look now. So I line them and I use the same blender to blend basically and do the second eye. I'm going to take my foundation to just again line the outer part of my brows because I don't want that light color that I'm using underneath my eyes. So I'm going to use my foundation color to just perfect that eyebrow line, and that's what you see me there. I'm using the same pencil or the same brush, sorry, that I used for shaping the brow underneath. And then I'm going in again using the brush to shape just naturally without any color the brow itself, just to make sure it's all perfect and nothing is out of line. For eyelining, I go in again with Revlon, and this is the black that just screws up. I found that as well, and as a set with my mascara, so nothing special, it's just your bog standard eyeliner. If you make a mistake with your eyeliner, don't freak out. Tidy it up with the brush that you use to do your eyebrows. It's got a little bit of foundation, a little bit of concealer or contour on it, so you can use that to tidy up, as you can see I'm doing here. So I have used a gold eyeshadow from the Urban Decay palette to put on my teardrop to just get that summer glow look. I was really going for a simple, no makeup, simple makeup look. So yeah, I think your teardrop is always a good place to just place very minimal color if you just want to look like you put some little bit of effort but not too much. And here I'm just putting on mascara, and I always change my mascara. This time I'm using again from Revlon the Mega Multiplier. I don't love this mascara, but it's what I have and it's okay. But if you have a better mascara, definitely stick to it. I always change mascaras, like whatever I find on offer is what I get. I don't have one mascara that I love, I just pick any, but this is working fine. Anyway, again, I take from my suede matchstick from Fenty Beauty to tidy up any mess that I've made whilst using the mascara underneath my eye to just perfect again that eyeshadow that I've put. And now I have got my Bobbi Brown in the color Espresso. I think this is the second from darkest. I use this to put in some cheekbones and blend that in. Here I'm using my translucent powder again to just mattify the entire face. So like I said, I do not like dewy, sweaty, whatever you want to call it. I don't like it. So we are transluting the whole thing, if that's a word. Now I'm using my Hourglass dim light ambient powder, and this powder, I think what I use it for is not what it's meant for, but hey, it's makeup, you make it up as you go. and I love the glow it gives me underneath my eyes. I don't do the whole baking thing, but this is definitely, I love it. It's amazing. It's working for me. I'm going to stick to it. I'm just using a pencil here. This particular pencil is from Chanel. I'd forgotten to moisturize my lips, so I'm doing that. I continue on with my pencil, lip pencil. Again, you can use a lipstick. I really prefer using pencils to color my lips. Of course, as you can tell, I love bright colors. I have small lips, so I think I can get away with it. I then line my lip line with the Hourglass Ambient powder again. And yeah, now onto the hair. The hair is clip-ins which I made. I'll talk a little bit more about these in the video next week, so stay tuned for that. But I made these clip-ins with hair that I bought, and I'm just applying those in now. If you remember back in the weave days where you'd sew weave in and you always made sure to not sew in a straight line, it's kind of the same technique here. You curve up as you get to the edge because you want that natural fall from the hair. Curve up as you're applying it because that will allow the hair to look good and to not have any loose edges showing when maybe the wind blows. But yeah, here it is. This is 2 bundles of hair. I guess I'll share more detail in the next video, which I am getting ready for, so stay tuned for that next week.